Let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So first thing first, if you are not yet a subscriber and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel because we are going to be dropping one or two updates for you guys in the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So now let's zoom it out right here and start with our trend on GBPJPY. So first thing, before you take a trade, you need to understand the trend and you need to know the trend. And as you can see on this GBPJPY, we are in a ranging market move. Market is clearly ranging. Now, we first got this rejection right here, which rejected from this our support level. The market was able to give us that bullish move that came to tap our resistance, right? The market rejected from this resistance and dropped back to our support. Now, market was able to reject from the support and come back to our resistance. Now, market eventually rejected from this resistance, which made it to drop to our support level, right? Now, market rejected from this our support level and came back to our resistance. Now we will be expecting a rejection from this resistance, which market is already doing, right? Market is already giving us a rejection from this resistance, and we would expect that sell to see it for it to drop to back to our support level. So currently GBP JPY is trading at 213. We will be expecting that sell to level of 210, which is about 300 pips. So basically, if you hop in on the sell right now on your GBP JPY and you hold it for the next 5 to 10 days, right? You should be coming out with about 300 pips bullish bearish move. You should be coming out with about 300 pips profit, right? So this is one of the reasons why you need to hop in on the sell right now because more sell is still coming on GBP JPY. So this is just a corrective move that GBP JPY is just giving. So one more drop, potential drop is what we are going to be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next updates.